Okay, welcome back. Thought I would do a little repair video here today. We'll see how it goes. It might be repairable, more likely. This is as you can see there, stop eject, rewind, fast forward. So what could it be? It's a tape rewinder, fast forwarder. It's 240 volts. It should have light up lamps. It is broken. There's a crack here. Oh, there's bits rattling. You can see the mechanism's broke here. There's a bag with some bits in it, some broken plastic, so I'll have to epoxy weld them back together. Hopefully it's just a simple matter of gluing the parts and that should be it. So it's a 240 UK. Don't know what's going on there. Somebody might have taken the fuse out of the plug. Let's get a screwdriver and have a look, see what's going on there. Have I got a screwdriver? Probably not. I'm so disorganised. My stuff's all over the place. It's always the way. Should really repair more. Here we go, I've got a screwdriver. Let's get this plug opened and see what's going on here. Is there a fuse in it? There is. It's a 5 amp fuse. Does it work? I've got a tester here. We'll check it out. Let's see if it's got continuity and should be all good. That's not continuity. There we go. My cat is crying. Alright, so the fuse is good. So let's get rid of that for a second. Just throw it in with the pots and pans. Why was it opened, I wonder? All the terminals look tight. Yeah, they're all tight. Just maybe worked its way loose. I'm not going to plug it in just yet because the mechanism is all loose in there. That's tight. At least I won't get a shock when I plug it in. Let's get this cable out of the way. It's all tied up here, so should I dare plug it in? Fuck it, let's plug it in and see what we got. We got buzzing. Alright, let's unplug that. That's not a good sign. So it's unplugged. Something's rattling. Part of the mechanism looks like it's in there. I don't know how well you can see. You can see the mechanism there. There's a spring down there. There's a spring on this side. I say, hopefully it's just a case of gluing these sections in. There's a little tab there that's broken off. Part there. I got this pretty cheap. Yeah, it looks like a little tooth clip. That's why it isn't staying down. When I got it, it just had an elastic band wrapped around it. So this part's cracked. And this, so hopefully it's just a simple fix. Alright, I'm going to unscrew these screws. Is there any screws? There's no screws. So how the hell do you open it? How the hell do you get into it? Maybe you're not supposed to. Are they clips? I think these sections here, it should pry apart. Let's try it. Let's see. Well, that side's already off, so I'll leave that one. Just try and get this side off. I don't want to force anything because this is old plastic. It'll probably all shatter. Let's get the light in there. What's going on? Definitely some sort of lock tab mechanism. Let's see. I think that's too thick to fit in there. So, what have I got that's thin enough to poke in there? Let's try this. Oh, it's just a hole. Just jam it in there and hope for the best. Nope. Really, am I being dumb here? Is there some screws that I'm not seeing? I'm just going to shake whatever's loose here. It's just coming apart now. There's a couple of bits of broken plastic. So I've got a bit there, a couple of more bits there. Here's the mechanism. If you ever wondered what's in one of these things, here you go. There's a little switch there. Some sort of spring jobby, a couple of lights at the front. Don't know how much you can see. It's hard filming this. There's a couple of bulbs at the front. So there's a spring there. There's a motor at the back here. Well, yeah. Got a power here. Don't want to touch that. A couple of springs, a couple of elastic bands. They all seem to be intact and supple. Bit of dust, nothing too major. So when the tape goes in and plops down, it turns that on. Got some sort of gear thing here. I think that's all good. Maybe there's something missing there. So it goes like that. We've got a cog here. It goes on this part here. So that's how does it go up and down? I don't know what that cog there's for. Is there anything? Another bit just fell out. Oh, this is going to be fun, isn't it? If it's not complete, I might not be able to get it working fully. I'm just wondering what that cog there's for. And what does it go into? Does it go into the front of the car? Looks like that. Let's try and reassemble this and maybe work it out. Right, so that springs and locks. Where's the tape going, for God's sakes? Is this like that pops up? So I think there's a part missing. Right, this is probably not the smartest idea, but I'm going to plug it in. Put my hand in here while it's live. Stay away from the... We've got buzzing. Alright. And we've got windage. So as you can see, that's what it needs to be doing. Just getting the tape in the right spot. Oh, that's what that does. So this is the forward reverse mechanism. I don't know if you can see that. That little cog, I was wondering what it does. It just goes backwards and forwards. It's all greased up. Just pushes the switch in and out to change the direction of the motor. So hopefully when I press this button here, let's turn the light off. Yeah, we've got lights. We've got one light anyway. See there? We've got one bulb not working. Is it? Yep, it looks... The wires all look intact, so it's probably just a blown bulb. It looks like one of those... I don't know how much you can see here. At the front here you can see one bulb lit up, just like fairy tree light bulbs. I wonder if I can get a spare one. Smells electronic. I wouldn't like to leave this plugged in for any amount of time. Let's get a tape and see if it will actually rewind. Fix something I'm not that bothered about. Got some Dad's Army here. Got the whole collection. I'm not a big fan, so it doesn't really matter to me. Got given them. Now, which way does this go in? Let's have a look. God knows. Yeah, let's look at this. Which way does it matter? I don't think it matters. It's just a wind mechanism. Doesn't flip the... It seems to be the right way, so I'm going to try that. Put it on there. And it does kind of lift the tape out of it. Try it this way. No, it doesn't seem to want to go that way, so... Yeah, it's working. Just got to hit that sweet spot. Oh. This is not happy. it's definitely that way. It's just got to engage with that switch. So what I'm going to do is, I don't want to break anything. Yeah, everything's working as it should. It just needs mechanically, obviously the bulb needs replacing, and these bits that are broken off here should be able to glue most of it back on. No, that's that way. So we've got that to glue, and then it's just a case of working out where all these other little bits have come off. There's a couple of teeth which look like the bits that lock it down. This looks just like some of the mounting parts that somebody's maybe tried to fix it, or it's got jammed and they've just pulled it apart. So I'm going to have a little play around with this with the power off, and I'll come back and maybe show you it fixed. Alright, thanks for watching.